Is data science dying, or is it simply transforming into something far more powerful and exciting than ever before? If you've ever kept one eye on tech headlines, you've seen the skeptics. The data science boom is over. AI is taking everyone's jobs. It's too late to become a data scientist. But what if I told you the truth is far more nuanced and offers massive opportunities for those ready to adapt? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the real state of data science, smashing myths, and exposing the actionable strategies you need to future-proof your career in 2025 and beyond. Stay tuned, because this isn't just another armchair analysis. This is the raw insight I've gathered from brilliant data science minds on the front lines. So before you decide to pivot careers or abandon your data science ambitions, let's take a closer look. So, what will you actually gain by watching this video? First, you'll walk away understanding if data science is truly dying, or whether that's just today's favorite rumor. Second, you'll get clear answers on whether job automation and AI spells doom for careers like yours, and how you can outsmart these trends. And third, you'll discover the skills and mindsets that top employers are prioritizing right now, so you can align yourself for real-world success, not theoretical hype. Picture this: you're strategizing your next career move and wondering, should I still invest in data science skills, or is it time to shift gears? This video will help you make smarter decisions that keep you ahead of the curve and give you the confidence to embrace the opportunities hidden in all the industry turbulence. Let's dig in. First, the elephant in the room: is data science trending downward? Yes, it's true. The explosive growth we saw from 2015 to 2020 is tapering as automation picks up steam and companies become more selective. But downward doesn't mean dead. What we're witnessing is a maturing field where basic data wrangling or simple algorithms are now table stakes, but advanced analysis and creative modeling are high-value skills. Next, let's tackle automation. Will AI take all the data science jobs? It's already snatching up repetitive tasks: automated ETL, AutoML pipelines, even generating rudimentary visualizations. But here's what AI can't do yet: contextualize ambiguous problems, communicate insights with empathy, and design custom solutions for complex, messy, real-world datasets. That's the unique human advantage you bring to the table. Employers aren't just hunting for number crunchers. They want professionals who can see the story in the data and bridge the technical with the strategic. Finally, let's answer the big question: are there still jobs? Yes. The demand is evolving, shifting from generic data science titles to specialized roles like AI ethics analyst, ML ops engineer, feature engineering specialist, and domain-focused analysts in finance, healthcare, and beyond. The challenge isn't a lack of jobs, it's that the definition of data scientist is changing. Your ability to adapt, upskill, and stay ahead of these shifts is what will set you apart. The takeaway: don't just learn another algorithm. Learn how to solve unstructured, ambiguous problems, communicate your findings to non-technical teams, and continually build domain expertise. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you worried about the impact of AI on your career? Have you noticed job descriptions changing in your field? Or maybe you've experienced firsthand that shift from broad data science roles to more targeted hybrid positions. Drop a comment below with your biggest concerns or predictions for the future of data science. If you've navigated a career pivot, tell us your story. We're building a community of lifelong learners right here, and your insights can help others. And if you're fired up to see how these changes play out, hit that subscribe button, because together, we'll stay ahead of the seismic shifts shaping our field. To sum up, data science isn't dying, it's evolving. We've uncovered how the rise of automation and AI is reshaping the job market but not eliminating it. The professionals who thrive will be those who embrace adaptability, excel at storytelling with data, and develop deep domain expertise. Remember, your role as a data scientist isn't just about code. It's about being a strategic navigator in a sea of uncertainty. Take what you've learned today and start building your personal roadmap for future-proof success. If you're finding these insights useful for your career planning, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives and future-ready advice. I promise the next wave of data science breakthroughs and industry trends are only just beginning, and you won't want to miss what's coming. Why is this video crucial right now? Because the landscape of data science is undergoing rapid change in 2024 and beyond. Companies are rethinking hiring priorities, AI is transforming workflow, and new industry standards are emerging at lightning speed. The professionals who get ahead will be those who understand and react to these developments now, not when their skills are already outdated. So whether you're already working in data science or considering making the leap, the insights in this video aren't just timely, they're essential for thriving in the next chapter of tech. Don't wait until obsolescence creeps up. Start future-proofing your career today.